Guys, this is Lisa from Local King Roberts and welcome to my channel. Ready for today's video? So this is today's video. Often my viewers always ask me, hey Lisa, how did you come up with all those wonderful ideas that you have been shared with us? And you know what? The idea, usually I get the idea from my own ideas. So have you watched this video? This was the last video I create by using or sky background and or homemade stencil. So after I create this card, show you what I mean. So when I was create this card, and then so I did my stencil. Right, I did like this stencil, and then I did my ego. I colored it, and I tried to put on top of my project. Try to make a card like this, right? And then when I was putting this ego, when I placing this ego here, and then see the shadow in the back, and I said, wow, that shadow looks really nice. Can I create something like this? And then that's how I come out with this idea. And then after I come out with this idea, and then I come out another idea, show you what I mean. Okay, so today's video, first we are going to use our stencil again. And in my last few videos, I have been sharing with you guys how to create this awesome homemade stencil by using half sheet of a 5 mil laminated sheet. So if you haven't got a chance, give it a try. And then I am going to grab my plate again, and then we are going to use the inexpensive cardstock. So this is just Michael's recollection. This is right. This is actually matte. Oh, I think no. We have to use matte because I am planning to do the coloring. I'm doing a little bit change. So you can see like this one, we can make like a 3 shadow, and then we can put this ego on top. But when I create this card, I come up with some other different kind of idea. So this is the wrong cardstock. This is for next project. We need to use find it. We need to use the regular cardstock. This card is for another project. This is actually matte coat paper. We cannot use that because I maybe want to do some coloring. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is same thing. I'm going to just secure my paper first, and then for my last project, we kind of like a flip over, use the reverse side. But for this one, I am going to just use the right side. But before we do that, I want to try something different. If you want to just put something in front of that, you can just do the backing. But I want to try something different. So I am going to grab my stamp. So I'm going to, you can use all different kind of image. I've been explaining in my video too many times. You are just pick up the idea and try to have fun. You can use a different image, like these stamps that have too many different kind of ego, right? So you can use a different image. Okay, and then I'm going to use my first fine black, my favorite ink pack. Okay, and then before we stamp it, I want to make sure, because this is not a clear stamp, and we cannot see. So usually when I put my stamp on the acrylic block, I try to position the place like horizontal. You don't want your ego flying like a unnatural way, right? So when I stamped it, and then I kind of using my acrylic block as like a guiding. So make sure my ego is flying like a like a good way. But this eagle is very flexible. They can fly in all different kind of way. So that's good. Okay, I'm going to ink one more time. Okay. And then I'm going to keep my acrylic block horizontal. I'm going to do these. Okay. Look how pretty this image, right? So if you want to just do your backing and then put this one on top, you can. I think that's really pretty. But the least card, I kind of don't want to die cut it. I kind of just want to create a shadow right behind it. Okay, and then now I have to masking this eagle because I want to do something in the back. Okay, I was going to cut this piece from the scrap paper, but I come up with something better than that. Remember in my previous video, if you want to cut material, especially like acetate or this laminated sheet, it's kind of hard to cut it. So I come out with this awesome tip is when you want to die cut it, you are going to sandwich your laminated sheet with just a piece of scrap paper. As long as you sandwich it, you will find out the cut like butter is so easy. So I actually cut a piece half laminated sheet because it's actually my masking is become seen through. So I can actually see better where I'm masking my eagle. Okay, so I think that's something. See, I come out with the idea why I'm creating some other card. Isn't that awesome? Creating is great. Okay, so now I put that piece, just bring a little bit forward. So I put that piece acetate die cut, okay, here. And then I'm going to just secure it with my magnet. Okay, and then we are going to, or when you just cut these to create your stencil, just save that one. Okay, so now we are going to do this. Actually, we are going to start with a lighter color first. So I am going to kind of just put my eagle here. And then I'm going to use the black color. And I'm going to use my magic mushroom. Okay, I'm going to pick up a very, very light color. Okay, we're going to have a 3-tone, light, medium, dark. So just gently tap. Okay, be patient. Okay, gently tap. We want a very, very soft, smooth coverage. Okay, just like that. Gentle, gentle. We don't want to show any mark. If you find out they don't really pick up the color, probably your magic mushroom is too dry, like mine. So I'm going to actually moisture my, or your impact is dry. So I'm going to just moisture my washroom. Oh no, my mushroom. Okay, they cannot be too wet and they cannot be too dry. Okay, now is better. I think my impact probably a little bit too dry. You can brush too. You can tapping. You can brushing. Okay, and then now because we're using the same black, so we don't really have to clean. That's what it look like. And then I'm going to be careful we don't move that one. Kind of just overlapping a little bit. Again, secure. If you can't find this glass board, white board with metal in the back, buy a piece of aluminum sheet will do too. Okay, the second time we are going to do a little bit darker, so you can ink a little bit more. Okay, tapping. Okay. That's the second one. And then be very careful. Okay, we don't want to touch that button. Okay, if we move a little bit, we can still fix it. Okay, or you can just use a reposition tape to tape that stamp image. Okay, because we're using the black again, so we don't have to. Okay, so this time we're going to really tap. Oop. Don't do that. So, okay, you have to have something hold that. Okay, you can change it. Just clean it after you use it. Uh-huh. Tweezer. If you have a sausage finger like me, use a tweezer. Look at that. I think that's really pretty unique, isn't it? Okay, before I am doing any coloring or anything, I am going to just clean my magnet just in case. And then this time, I probably cannot use alcohol markers because it's not the memento impact, right? So remember how to clean your stencil. Just well, don't use red though. Using black to clean that. Yep, but you can clean this one. It's not big deal, and then save this one in your bag. Next time you want to do the masking, you can do that. I don't know, this Catherine Puller's impact should be a dye base. I don't know why I am having a hard time to clean here. Well, no, it will come off, but just be careful, don't tear it. I'm sure if you mix with a little bit bleach, they will come off. Just be careful, don't use the bleach on your magic mushroom. Is that pretty? Okay, and then now we can do some coloring. So just to give you some idea, okay, you can put this one like a 3D, or if you just like a one piece, or what you can do is you can, I just want to have like a flat one. I don't want to like a separate this part. You know what I mean? It's just a two different kind of option, right? Okay, that's it. So what do you think? This one kind of just want to have like a one color, like a black color. But this is the one you can add a little bit color. I think they both unique. Which one you like the better? Leave me a comment. And darn, I got a cookie image. That's okay. That just make sure this is just a proof that is a handmade. Okay, so far we already have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different kind of project by using the same set. And then what do you think? I think they, even though they are like the same stamp set, but they look something totally different, right? I think this one, if you really think the black is a little bit too boring, use your pencil crayon, just give a little bit touch around the beak. But I like it the way it is. I think that black just beautiful. And this is such a beautiful set that when I designed that, I didn't really like this set, but now I found out the eagle, the drawing is really detailed, and I really enjoy it. Okay, so that's everything for today. I hope you like this video. Remember, you do like this video, help me to share this awesome channel with your friend by give me a thumb up, leave me a comment or share this awesome channel with your friend. So this is Lisa from Local Cooking Rubber Stamp. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, we are going to have a super sale on the Black Friday, November 25th. Make sure you subscribe to Local King's YouTube channel and or newsletter. We will have the awesome deal. And then find out how you can get a Fruit of Magic mushroom for free. Okay, thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.